Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy from Aliexpress in India. Even though the platform is currently banned for Indian customers. As of now, Aliexpress does not officially ship to India and Alibaba also does not deliver to Indian addresses. Even if you access AliExpress using a VPN, you will notice that India is not listed as a shipping destination. However, a Reddit user on the AliExpress subreddit shared their experience of successfully placing an order from India after the ban. Here's how they did it. Used a VPN to access the AliExpress website, contacted the seller directly through the chat caption, asked if the seller could still ship to India privately, and the seller agreed, keeping the same product price. They paid via PayPal to ensure buyer protection. The order was shipped using Singapore Post and arrived in 15 days. No custom duties or extra charges were incurred. But keep in mind, this method is unofficial and carries high risk. There's no guarantee that your product will arrive and you might fall victim to scams or unreliable sellers. Always proceed with caution and use trusted payment methods like PayPal and etc.